Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll practice O family. Before watching this video, please watch my previous videos on A, E, I family 2 and 3 letter CVC blending words which I have given in the description box. Before introducing 2 and 3 letter CVC blending words, ensure kid must be familiar with the phonic sounds of A to C. So let's start the video. We'll see how to read 2 letter words. So sound of O is A and phonic sound of B is B. A, B, ob. A, D, urge. A, G, ug. A, arm. A, on. A, B, ob. A, J, urge. When he started reading 2 letter words with the ob, arg, we can introduce the 3 letter words. Let's see 3 letter CVC blending word. First we have ob family. So here we are adding 1 letter to the 2 letter of family. The sound of C, K, ob, cob. J, ob, job. Ob, mob. R, ob, rob. L, ob, lob. G, ob, gob. S, ob, sob. So here I use 2 different colors to give better understanding to the kid. Next we have odd family. G, odd, god. N, odd, nod. P, odd, pod. K, odd, god. R, odd, rod. Next we have og family. B, og, bog. G, ag, gog. D, og, dog. F, og, fog. H, og, hog. J, og, jog. L, og, log. Next we have om family. M, om, mom. P, om, palm. D, Tom. Next we have on family. K, on, con. D, on, John. Here I used capital letters since it is the name of the person. R, on, Ron. Here again it is the name of a person, so I used capital letter. Next we have ob family. B, ob, bob. K, ob, gob. H, ob, hop. L, ob, lob. M, ob, mop. P, ob, pop. S, ob, sob. T, ob, top. Next we have odd family. K, odd, got. D, odd, dot. G, odd, odd. H, odd, hot. J, odd, jot. L, odd, lot. N, odd, not. P, odd, pot. R, odd, rot. T, odd, dot. Once introducing this 3 letter concept, give them some practice worksheets for read and write. So this is one of the handy which I have done it for my son. So here I have given all 2 letter words of vowels and 3 letter words of vowels. So here it is O family 3 letter word and 2 letter word. Or we can also do like the bigger chart form for O family: god, nod, pod, cord, rod. And we can stick this to a wall and we can ask the kid to read on a daily basis. Or we can also do like this flashcards. So these are very handy and it is very useful, and to give them a better attractive way of practice versions. So these are very helpful. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and do subscribe for my channel.